This motorhome is the Eura Mobile Contura 766EF. It's on a Mercedes base, and that is why it costs much more money than the similar vehicle on a Fiat base. This vehicle will cost €134,000. It's 784 centimeters long. It has a wonderful sloping roof, as you can see, and with large panoramic sky windows. The finishing is bright and very elegant. The kitchen has 3 burners and a sink which is molded, as well as this drainage tray. Round the table we find seating for 6 people, 2 of which of course are up front. The floor is flat all the way to the back, and this is because of a double floor. There's storage in the floor. All the technical things to do with the motorhome have been placed in the floor, such as the cabling, the tanks, etc. If I come to the back, you can see we've got this German layout, very large bed with storage all the way around, although that bit in the center is a bit daft to me. Why is there a hole in the cover? This here will slide forward, and this will then allow space for an extra mattress to be placed there to make an enormous bed. Under the bed we've got wardrobe and more storage. The shower unit has 2 domestic style drainage holes, as well as being very large. Quite good in my opinion. And in here we have the toilet, which also offers a lot of space, although does have that bowl which I think is rather daft. Beside on my left there's also a wardrobe. It comes with a large garage. Now Eura Mobil started doing this on a Mercedes for the 2021 season. It's also available on a Fiat and has been so since 2019. As I said, garage large, you can see it right there. This vehicle is somewhat expensive, but I'm sure you'll agree it's very luxurious, and you can see it in a different video where I go into much more detail. A link will be below, and if it isn't, ask me. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Düsseldorf.